So we have this beautiful used pair of Sutor Mantellassi shoes, but let's see what we can do to fix them up. First things first, you always got to remove the laces. I always make sure I have a pair of shoe trees in my shoes before I do my work. And what a difference they make. They really help when you have to brush the dirt and debris out of the shoes, which I will do next. I'm not sure how well you can tell, but in this next step I decreased the wrinkles in the shoes, and they look amazing already. I was fortunate in that I virtually was able to remove all the wrinkles in this pair. Now on to the color dyeing process. I like to get creative sometimes, mixing different colors, but this time I was shooting for a aquamarine-ish color. They came out a little darker than I expected, but overall they look great. After dyeing any pair of shoes, I always make sure that the leather is fully nourished, and I use Saphir Renovateur. It nourishes shoes very well and gives them a nice shine after you buff it out like I'm about to do here. You know when you're about to be done brushing your shoes when you get that nice, beautiful luster that you look for. Now here's another part where creativity comes into play. For these pair, I decided to use some dark brown and light brown tones to enrich this aquamarine color, give it that nice uniform look, blending it in with the brown vamp on the top of the shoe. Now time for my top secret proprietary shoe shining secrets. Just kidding, it's all on the internet. I like to rub in the first few coats of wax with my bare hands, like I already did here with this pair. And for the remainder of this shine, I guess I'll just let you watch the rest. What a mirror shine. And for my favorite part, putting the laces back on. I really like how these shoes turned out, and I look forward to doing more. If you like this video, please leave a comment below, and I greatly appreciate it. I hope you have a good one.